Weight Loss 101, Part 2, Food Choices. If you watched Part 1 of this video series, you should now know that weight loss is about establishing a moderate caloric deficit and consuming a balanced amount of all three macronutrients. Now, though a caloric deficit means that you can practically lose weight and eat junk food every day, your food choices are important. If you eat low-quality foods, you may risk losing more of your lean body mass, and frankly, this is something you want to avoid. So, what are the best foods to eat while losing weight? Let's get to it by first discussing protein and fat sources. As you probably already know, protein and fats are the two most important nutrients for the body. This is because they provide essential amino acids and fatty acids, which serve a variety of functions in the body. Those include, but are not limited to, recovery, lean mass retention, body temperature regulation, hormone production, enzyme production, etc. Certainly, if those macronutrients are lacking, you will experience certain side effects in those departments. The best products to derive your protein and fats from are the following: meat, eggs, organs, dairy, fish, nuts, avocados, olive oil, and whey protein. All 9 of these provide quality nutrients that will inevitably nourish every single system in your body. The list is mainly viable for omnivores, but if you are a vegan, make sure to mix grains in order to get the full protein profile and meet your body's needs. It is also important to remember that the quality of food you eat also depends on the way you prepare it. For instance, deep-fried eggs will provide different nutrition than boiled eggs. This is because the thermal preparation of foods may destroy a certain part of its structure. Have you ever charred a steak on your grill? That char is in fact wasted protein. It is recommended that you cook meats and organs at a lower temperature to preserve the highest quality of their nutrients. Now, once you have these two nutrients in check, it is time to take care of your carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrates will fuel your body for intense workouts, which in return will help you retain more lean body mass. The problem is that there is a load of carbohydrates in many processed foods nowadays. And though that is true, we must remain true to the quality complex sources of carbohydrates, such as white rice, brown rice, sweet and normal potatoes, whole grain bread, oats, starchy veggies, and last but not least, fruits. If you make all of these food sources the main portion of your daily nutrition, it is more than likely that you will remain full and well satiated. This in turn will minimize the risk of binging on junk foods and ruining your weight loss progress. So here's your take-home message. When losing weight, focus on whole food products that provide quality protein, fats and carbs, as those are the foods that will keep you fuller for longer, making it easier to sustain a caloric deficit. Any more questions? Drop them down below.